Welcome to the latest episode. We are on our property focus and we are here in Bellac. You can see the viaduct behind me, which is the viaduct that takes the trains from Poitiers to Limoges. Also the church is just over there as well. This is a really pretty spot where lots of people come to take lots of beautiful photos. So we're going to take a little walk up through the town and we are going to go and look at the property, which is literally a minute off the main street here in Bellac. Well, here we are at the house in Bellac. It is literally probably 30 seconds to a minute walk just down the road to the top of the main street in Bellac, with all the lovely little shops as you go down, boulangeries, butchers, etc. So everything is there. So you're right pretty much in the heart of the town. Lovely townhouse on a number of stories. It's got a carved downstairs as well. Quite a traditional layout to the building. Also quite a traditional kind of look and feel to it in terms of the paint colours, etc. So if you're looking to put your own stamp on it, of course you can do that as well within this. Structurally looks really great, got lots of features to it as well. What I would look at with this as well is out the front you have got a road. Let's not move away from that, but we're talking about France. It's not exactly very busy, and Bellac does have a ring road, so all the big lorries, big vehicles go around the ring road, so they don't come outside your house at all. We've also got, though, at the back is a lovely garden, little courtyard leading to turfed area, and then you've also got your own garage as well, and there's a small road around the back which is basically a service road, and you can access your garage from there. Quiet, easy to park, really easy to access everything. This could be a family home, it could be a lock and leave, it could be a business opportunity. So if you're looking to get your visa to come here to France, if you live outside the EU and you've got to put your proof of earnings, or you want to be putting something together and you want to put your business plan together, then this could become a chambre d'hôte. So when we have a look around the building, have a little look, see what you think as well. So lick of paint, a little bit of thought, a little bit of renovation in places, but really not much at all. You could literally just move in. People live here, this is a second home at the moment, it's a holiday home. It's lovely and warm in here, central heating throughout, just move in. But you probably want to put your lick of paint on there and just put your own stamp on it and make it the way you want. I love the fact it's really close to Bellac. As I said, literally you just walk a minute and you're into the main streets. That's really, really nice. So you can park your car, you can come and enjoy being here. Of course, you've got the train station just down the road as well, and you can go to Limoges, Poitiers, and then you've got connections, particularly from Poitiers. You can get the TGV into Paris. You can be to Paris probably from here an hour and a half to 2 hours from here, get a connecting train, then up to Poitiers and go from there. Lots going for it in terms of that. It's got the great motorway links as well, and we're not that far from many other things as well. I like it, like Bellac, love Bellac. Got my own business here anyway, so I love Bellac. But also I just think this property's great. As I say, a lick of paint and you can just bring it the way that you want. So let's go and have a look. Let's go and have a look around and take you around. So just off the hallway we have got the sitting room. As I said, very traditional style. You can see really lovely floorboards here as well. And then connecting doors that then take you into the dining room. We'll have a look in there in a moment. So it's nice, structurally all looks good in here as well. Lovely floorboards, lick of paint, your own furniture, and off you go. Also in this room, nice period features as well. Nice bit of, there's a bit of decoration, original around the chandelier hanging down there. Just nice little touches that you can enhance and really make a feature of. You can now see the dining room leading into the kitchen. Kitchen just comes in from there. Again, nice dining room, traditionally done. Got windows out to the garden as well. Nice features, really nice and airy. I really like the feeling of space in here. Ceilings are really nice and high, but again, really nice with the connecting doors and just going straight through. So it does flow from this particular perspective. Looking back now from the kitchen, you're looking back into the dining room and the sitting room. More of a galley style kitchen here. So space just to sit down and go from there, but very conventional, easy to use. There's a door there going to the outside, so you can have that door open in the summer, plenty of air coming through. and particularly in this part of the world in the summer, we are not really going to be inside very much. So nice to be able to get out there and go from there as well. There is also a utility bit to the kitchen. It's got your washing machines, etc. in there, and an extra fridge. So you can use that as well if you want. Again, you probably just knock out the little wall if you wanted to have a more spacious kitchen, entirely up to you. But super, super functional. Now going to make our way upstairs. As I said, underneath the first flight of stairs, there is a door that takes you down into the carve, so you've got space down there for storage as well. And you've got another door that takes you out to the garden. We'll take a look in the garden in a moment, but we're going to make our way upstairs now, and we're going to start to see what is on all the other floors. Part way up the first set of stairs, there is a door, and behind the door is a toilet. So you've got a toilet there, which is obviously accessed from the ground floor up as well. So it's just another service toilet from there. And now let's have a proper look what's on this floor. So on this first floor, we have 2 bedrooms. This is a bedroom looking out to the front of the house. Nice big bedroom again, lovely ceilings. Got a double bed in there easily, storage, etc. Also, this particular room has a bathroom, so it has the ensuite facility as well. You can see with the bathroom, got bath, bidet, toilet, sink. Just needs a little bit of updating. You might want to put your own bath furniture in there, a lick of paint, and turn it into what you want. But it's really nice to have a nice big bedroom and a nice big bathroom. Also on the same floor is another room, another nice airy bedroom. Easily get a double bed in there, and again plenty of storage coming from there, and also then we've got windows out to the back. So this is the back of the house. You can have the light coming in as well. So nice big room from that perspective. Going to make our way now up to the second floor. You see everywhere sort of a half stairway everywhere, and it's got lights. It's got light coming in, natural light coming in from outside. So we're going to make our way up to the second floor. Here we are on the second floor. It's completely similar layout to the first floor. Nice big airy bedroom here. You can see how lovely that is with the natural light coming in. This also then has an ensuite bathroom with it. Again, the ensuite here, got a bath, toilet, sink, really nice and airy. I would say you'd be able to put a shower in here as well. There's enough room to be able to do that. It's a lovely spacious bathroom to go with a really nice spacious bedroom. And as with the first floor, here on the second floor we've got another room here, another really nice room, lots and lots of space, lots and lots of ceiling height, natural light coming in, beautiful floor, just great. So again, you can see the potential here. If you were looking to do a chambre d'hôte, you've got the rooms to be able to do it, and you can make that work really well. We are now on the top floor, so at the top of the building. Again, nice room. Slightly different layout on the third floor. But again, lots and lots of space. We've got natural light coming in from a Velux there. And also we have some storage, which is just within the eaves. We've got a little bit of storage here in the eaves as well. Maybe you could put a bathroom in here. You'd have to watch your head a little bit if you want an ensuite, but this would be great for storage. Just needs a little bit more insulation, a bit of cladding, and that actually would make a really nice storage space as well in here. So nice to be able to have everything there. On this third floor, next to the bedroom, is another small room. So there's a small room here, which at the moment is just storage, not really much done with it. You could, if you wanted, turn it into another bedroom, but what I would do potentially here, if you're going to do chambre d'hôte or similar, is you could turn it into another bathroom. So this could be a self-contained ensuite bathroom up here with that, because there's no other rooms up on this floor. So you've got the bedroom, big bedroom, then you would have a really nice bathroom to it as well. So that would work. You could also as well turn it into an office if you wanted. So lots of choices in terms of that. You can do whatever you want with it. But my just view, if you were going to do a chambre d'hôte, you could put that on there as well if you wanted. And again, if this was a family room, this would be quite nice maybe for a teenager, and they've got their own bedroom up here, and also they've got their own bathroom, so that would be nice and self-contained up here as well. Lots and lots of choices. I think this building is really nice. Structurally it's great and goes really well from that perspective. Now we're having a look at the garden. You can see from the garden, nice aerial view from here. Little courtyard just underneath this. Then we go into 2 different terraces with grass on them. And then just moving up the garden, nice garden at the end. You see you're getting the morning sunshine, but you also get the evening sunshine is here as well. You can see the garage at the end, and then we're out to a little service road as well there. So you've got plenty of cover as well from the trees. They'll give you a nice bit of shade as well, but very nice and quiet. It's at the back of the building and is a really nice asset to this house. So I would be saying, lovely garden. Neighbours have got a dog. And a really nice garden from that perspective. Really hope you've enjoyed having a look around that property. I think it's a fantastic property, really lovely here in the heart of Bellac. Get in contact with Beaux Villages. Chris Summers is the agent. Offices are literally just 50 metres from where I'm stood as well. The link is within the description. Click on that, find out more about this great property.